y'all? Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Max 97 that completes the trifecta of silver bullets, gold bullets. Now you got the bronze colorway. The official color for this shoe is actually desert dust and white, but they're being dubbed the bronze Air Max 97s, and I'm pretty sure you guys know why. You guys know that the original color of the 97s is the silver bullets, but this time around, and they also have a OG color of the gold Air Max 97s, and it was only right for Nike to introduce the copper Air Max 97, which is one of my favorites. Looks actually great on this Air Max 97 right over here. Which one do you guys prefer? Let's start with a question right away. Which one do you guys prefer the most out of the silver bullets, the golds, and obviously now the copper? But let's take a look at the outsole of the shoe. Pretty clear cut Air Max 97 bottom. You guys already know how popular this shoe is this year. I mean last year. Hopefully that momentum continues this year, because I really like to see more colorways of this shoe. White, black outsole, as you can see, gelled swoosh on the heel, and then you got your white and black color blocking on the midsole on the tooling of the shoe. I like how they separated the colors with the nice white color blocking on the midsole, which creates a good separation in my opinion. Then you got obviously your copper hits on the upper with your white and black swoosh on the side right there on the mesh, and then obviously your 3M hits and mesh detailing on the upper part of the shoe. On the heel you got your little Air Max pull tab right there, and then the shoes come with your circular laces in that copper colorway with the mesh tongue, along with your swoosh at the top right there in black and white. Let me know what you guys think, and once again let me know at the bottom in the comments which one is your favorite Air Max 97. Is it the gold, silver, or now the coppers? Let's check out what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the copper Air Max 97s look like on feet. These fit true to size. If you're a size 9, just stick with the size 9. Right now I'm wearing my exact size and it fits perfectly. I really love this colorway more than the gold. You know, still silver is strongest for me, but this is a very close second. What do you guys think about this copper colorway? I like the fact that it you know, completes the trifecta. If you guys have both colorways, this is just a good addition to have. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what the copper 97s look like on feet. Must cop in my opinion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Also hit the bell so that every time we get a new video, you get a notification. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, peace.